Official review of the best mail software bar 2022. The year 2021 was the year of the software revolution, and many new and improved software were released at this time. If you want to make the most out of your 2022, it's best to keep yourself updated on what's new, especially when it comes to marketing your business online. It's hard to know which software are good, which ones suck, and which ones will give you the best ROI, so we have put together this list of the best marketing software available always. Check them out below.
What is LetsMail? LetsMail is a proprietary email marketing software that allows users to automate and track their emails easily. There are several ways to use LetsMail, some of which include using LetsMail as a standalone tool or integrating it with CRM and other marketing tools. According to their website, LetsMail's goal is to be the best I/M software on earth. While we think that's a lofty goal for any company, much less one just starting out, it does seem like they have done an impressive job with their product so far. Why LetsMail the most powerful system out there? LetsMail is a mail system that helps you to grow your business by increasing your conversion rate with incredible ease. Not only does it increase conversions, but it also provides you with every tool you need to send emails that are more effective and engaging than before. It has been tested by top marketers for years and is considered one of the best email software available out there. We have put together a review of LetsMail to make sure that you understand how powerful and effective it really is. Learn more about LetsMail in our official review below. Write a professional blog post based on the following description. A professional blogger explains what blogging tips he follows to ensure his posts are always professional and well written. Include an image at least 562 pixels wide that supports or exemplifies what you're writing about. Source: why make sure your posts are always professional? If you run an online company like many do today, then having an active presence on social media and your website's comments section is crucial. But unless users read those comments or visit your page often enough, not everyone will see everything you say. Sometimes people forget about sites or pages altogether after logging in just once or twice. Who should use LetsMail? If you're someone who wants to build a mail list or increase your mailing reach, then LetsMail is one of many good options. However, it may not be right for everyone. For example, if you're just looking to send out a one-off email announcement, such as an event invite, then other software will do what you need and do it more quickly and efficiently than LetsMail. However, if you have a bigger audience and are hoping to generate some interest in things like products or affiliate marketing, then LetsMail may be able to help in that regard with its wealth of tools and options. Support. The answer is simple. We are confident that you will love our IM mailing list responsive. You have absolutely nothing to lose. Our software works great and is easy to use, which means that you can start making real money at any time. Get your own copy now before it's too late. Click here now for your own copy of IM mailing list responsive, or the biggest lies ever told online affiliate multi-level marketing, MLM.